Okay, well, this is the second video, part 2, and I don't know what happened with that last video. It got cut off, but here's this. I got out of my fridge a sugar-free rock star because I'm a pop star, and I liked to drink pop starring a burper, starring a burper. Yeah, I like to drink a pop, yeah, and I burp, son, yeah, and I like to go off at the top, sir, what? And I do, and you think I'm absurd, what? And I'm going off at the top of the dome, and it's my turn, punk, yeah, and you don't interrupt me when I'm rapping. I'm going off at the top, I'm going to be clapping them, I'm trapping them up, yeah, like a beat, yeah, you are crappy and stuff, and I'll throw you in the trash where you belong, and I don't really give a crap. I am going long, going far, the longest yard.
Going. Yeah.
Well, there's only one thing I can do, and that's belch. Yeah, that's what we're here for. All right. Okay, get in the zone.
Yeah. What?
Man, I got stuck. Stop the video.
Yeah.
Man, stop the video. I gotta go piss for show. Yeah, I really do. Don't diss me, yo. I'll come out of the top of the dome. I'll grill you, ho. And I don't really give a crap. You go run for the hills, ho. And I don't give a crap. Go get on your pills, ho. Yeah, you off your freaking medication. Don't give a crap about your pathetic faces. And I'm gonna go right over the top of the dome and threaten this. I'm playing. Yeah, I'm going over the top of the dome. I don't stress nobody today. And it's B vitamin. Lots of that. And I like to crap. Don't forget to like the video. Pun intended with a like. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh, what if there was a character that just pun intended everything? Just no pun intended, but pun intended. Oh yeah. This should be a character where he just tries to pun everything. That'd be crazy. Anyway. Sugar-free rock star, and I'm gonna be a pop star. Yeah, get it? Get it? Ha yeah. Yeah, don't fret, you haters. So go get your freaking gator. Go get your freaking Gatorade. Your haterade. Yeah, don't give a crap about you. I'll think about you later, mate. And then I'll be like, you're a hater. Hate. All you want. Now or later. Chewy and hard now. Chew you out later. Act hard now and chew you out later. And I don't give a crap about you haters. Yeah, I said that already. I don't really give a crap. Ooh. Just kidding. Sorry. Okay, that was awkward, dude. Just stop the video. Stop the video. You're not getting a like. You're getting a thumbs down. Yeah, like I care, like you're gonna affect me, dude. Or infect me.
Yeah.
Why am I saying yeah every time, man?
I don't know. I gotta go take a lot of that.
I did not want to say what I wanted to say. That was awkward. You know what? I got a rock star. And that did not rhyme with awkward. But you are rhyming with awkward. Pun intended with the awkward. If that even makes sense. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I'll stop now. I'll stop making videos altogether. Dude, are you okay? No, I'm not. I burped too much. I got COVID from your burping. You didn't wear your mask. I got COVID from your videos. That's what they said. Stop watching Spencer's videos. I don't know. Okay. I don't know who sounds like that. Not me. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. Ain't nobody sounding cool to you. My brother said I look like a Joker or something with that look on my face. I drank too much pop. Y'all. Well, that's it for now, man. I gotta go. So I hope you liked the second part, and I'll be going now. Okay. Bye. Just kidding. One more last burp. Oh man, I gotta go to the bathroom, dude. I drank too much pop. All right, y'all. More videos coming. Subscribe. Hit that bell down there. You know where my Xanatari name is. And I'm gonna have a website here soon, so you guys can all get all the latest information on.
What is happening next? Yeah.
All right. All right. Hey, talk to you later. Okay, peace out, and God bless. Stay positive. Make a list, and do it, man. Just do it like Nike. Just do it like Nike, man. That's all I gotta say. One day at a time. Have a vision. And breathe in that good prana. All right. Yeah. What do you know about that? Woo!